part 1, I added the head with a wire. She is not glued to the top of the light bulb. Then I did glue on pieces of material, but right here I did not glue the material because once the light bulb is on, it may reheat the hot glue later on in the future. So what I did was I only glued up under onto the green base right here. And yes, you can still unscrew her bulb bottom and have access. Okay? This is part 2. See part 1. And then look on my YouTube video and learn how to make a star. So, Dollar Tree sells these bicycle wreath forms. And I already made an angel on my TikTok, a farmhouse angel. And I used these as the wings. This will be for my light bulb country angel doll I'm making, and I will just wire this on to the bulb, and then later I'll add various picks and so thanks for watching. We'll see you again real soon. Please follow Angels Living Among Us on TikTok or Legacy's Little Luxuries on YouTube. Bless.